Welcome. Perhaps something in your life has stopped being enough, and you are looking for a different way of seeing. In this series, you will find concrete practices of self-observation and presence to be tested in your daily life. This is not meant to be spiritual entertainment. It is an invitation to inner work. Before we begin, it is important to clarify what this channel is and what it is not. This channel offers a free path of inner work and awakening. It does not represent any religion, sect, or closed school. There is no doctrine to defend here, and this space is not looking for followers or personal devotion. You are not being asked to believe anything you will hear here. Belief is not required. Verification is. Understanding will not come from listening alone. It appears gradually when attention begins to illuminate the ordinary movements of your life. The invitation is only to verify directly in your daily life whether the tools offered bring more clarity, more responsibility, more capacity to love. This path does not replace in any way medical, psychological, or psychiatric support. If you are going through intense suffering, strong emotional crises, or disturbances that interfere with your life, the first step is always to seek help from a qualified professional. The inner work proposed here can accompany that kind of support, not replace it. At times, this channel will refer to ideas coming from different ancient traditions or esoteric schools, but not in a scholarly or systematic way. The aim is not to build a perfect system, but to offer a starting point for those who feel that something in life is no longer enough, and to provide tools to begin seeing how things truly are. If there is a sense of truth in these words, it will be your task to continue with serious study, perhaps seeking an authentic school or a guide. Consider this a doorway, not the whole building. On a journey of this nature, it is impossible to address all the necessary topics for a complete understanding right away. It is therefore inevitable that some statements may seem strange or even incredible. The best approach is to take them as working hypotheses, not as things to believe in. If you have the patience to continue this path, in time, many pieces will fall into place. In these episodes, the path will be shared through the lens of a concrete human experience and an individual journey. There is no other honest way to do it. This is the only point of view that can be offered here: lived work. This is not presented as the only right path. There are many authentic ways to the truth. What is offered here is simply an indication from a perspective that has been verified in real life. The personal story remains in the background for a simple reason. The personality of the speaker should not become an obstacle to your work. In this field, it is easy to look at the speaker instead of the message. But the person speaking is not the point. What matters is the work itself, shared as a way of saying thank you to life and to those who have guided this journey. Consider each episode as a working map, not as a doctrine to defend. A healthy critical eye is not an obstacle to this work. It is part of it. You are encouraged to question even what you hear here, to compare it with your own experience, with your common sense, and, when needed, with the opinion of competent professionals. From time to time, specific episodes will be dedicated to answering the most important or most frequent questions from those who sincerely wish to understand better and apply these practices in real life. While this channel is free, the path itself is not. The currency of awakening is your will and your discipline. You will gain only in proportion to what you invest in effort and presence. Without your active work, these words remain empty. No one can do this work for you. Everything depends on your own effort. Progress on this path is rarely spectacular. Most of the real transformations happen quietly, through small acts of attention repeated over time. Nothing essential is added to you. Something unnecessary is gradually seen and released. This space will not enter into polemical discussions or debates. The ultimate truth cannot be expressed in words. There is little point in arguing whether a path is right or not. Real understanding belongs to another plane, and there, words lose their importance. If something here does not resonate with you, it may simply be that this message is not for you at this moment. Simply keep seeking. It is a universal law. If there is a sincere desire for truth, the seeker will find the path that fits them. If even just one of you receives concrete help toward the new eyes needed to see life in its true essence, then this work will be fully rewarded. Gratitude goes to those who allowed this work to be carried out and who guide this path every day. These words are only a beginning. The real work starts in your daily life. Proceed calmly, one episode at a time. Remember, the center is not this channel, but your daily work on yourself. A good work is wished to you.